It's one of those I don't know moments. I saw this in a video, looked interesting, but I was worried about the flavor. Let's see how it turns out. We start by 1 cup of cottage cheese. That's why it is a high protein snack. And 1 egg. And then we mix it. Now we can add seasoning. I'm going to be adding salt, pepper, powdered garlic. For me, it's always a must to have garlic, but you put as much as you want. And some herbs. You can also put some powdered onions, could be, even though it may be overwhelming at the end. And just mix until you have a good mixture. Have the mixture. What we are going to do is on a baking tray with parchment paper, we are going to make little rounds of that mixture. And then on top of it, we are going to add some onion slices. Now, I'm terrible at cutting onions, so they are not perfect. But if you're good at that, go for it. I always leave my onions on water before I use, so it takes the acidity out. Like this one is kind of sad. So let's put it like this. I was not born a cook or a chef, so. Okay, and now we get some Parmesan cheese and put it on top. Okay, let's put this in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Save this video so you can find it later, and don't forget to follow me for more recipes. It's the final countdown. Well, the appearance is very different than what I saw, but let's look at the taste, because really at the end, that's what matters. A little messy. Not bad. The taste is good. What I'm going to do different, work on a bigger baking tray and leave it for longer. I think, I don't know anything about cooking, but the cottage cheese, would it ever get crunchy? Let me know.